How to use magic design in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to use magic design in Canva. So first of all, just simply open the Canva in your web browser, and after that just simply select the project in which you are working on. So for example, I'm working on this particular project and I want to use the magic tool right now. So just simply click on the bottom left hand side corner of the screen, and over here you will be able to see the magic design tool right here. And on the search bar, just simply search for the prompt that you want to create while using the magic design tool in Canva, and just simply search for it. So I have searched for this particular prompt which says create a beautiful mountain scenery which with a lush green valley in which there is a cherry blossom and stuff like that, and the AI tool in Canva has created this particular image right here for me. So likewise, you can also use the magic tool right here and just simply enter the prompt you want to work on, and magic tool will start creating the image that you will put the prompt for. And if you like the result, you can simply go ahead and save this particular images in the Canva itself while clicking on the share icon from the top right corner. And yeah, this is basically how you will be able to use magic design on Canva. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.